All right, this is 501 West 76th Street. Home got a brand new roof on it. During the daytime, the most updates right here. Just want to give you the most updates on this property, updated information. I've been out of town and have not been able to record a new recording or give you updated pictures. Home has been updated pretty much. Electric system been updated, plumbing updated, put ceiling fans throughout the house. All right, new lights throughout the house. All right, kitchen area, brand new hot water tank. All right, updated the faucet. Added plumbing. Added a brand new washer and dryer hookup. All right, this is the first one of the bedrooms. Added central air and heat. Closet for the bedroom. All right. This right here is like a dining area you can make right here, or a little sitting area right here before you get to the den or living room, whichever one you want to call it. We took out the furnace unit and put a brand new central air and heat again. That's what I'm trying to tell you. The floors, we're going to put some more tile on the floor right there. Same tile that's on the floor in the other room. All right, so this is the other bedroom. We'll put that tile on the floor in the closets. I wanted y'all to see this room right here. Put a brand new ceiling fan in here. Again, added the unit for the air conditioner. All right, another ceiling fan. Closet. Picture the backyard through this back window. Huge backyard. All right, these floors been newly put down. Just put these floors down. All right. Like I said, brand new air conditioner installed. Central air and heat unit. All right, bathroom. Clean tub. All right. So that's pretty much the house right there. You got 3 bedrooms. 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, extra closet in the middle. Close these closet doors. I'm getting up out of here after this. Now we're just looking for someone that want to rent to own, or look for somebody that want to rent. All right, rent to own, or looking for someone that want to rent. Last chance to look again. During the daytime, all the junk we threw out and all the floors replaced. All right. Hopefully y'all didn't get dizzy out walking too fast. Brand new roof, y'all.